Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna be playing worst does it say here? Worst cooking truck, I think it was. Wait, worst food truck, yeah. Okay. Damn, it's so laggy. Okay. Tomato. I'm just gonna take the moldy one of the blender. Just gonna. Okay. I have the juice now, the tomato juice. And where is the oh, there's a camera. Oh, there's a camera over there. Where am I supposed to find that thing right there? Where is that? I'm sorry, but like, can I just... Okay, where the heck is that thing right there? Is it like cheese? Cheese? Okay, cheese. And where's that roly? There? Roly. Yeah, wait a minute, chill. Okay, that thing is ready. Then I'm just gonna take some tomato sauce onto it. Yeah, just like that. Then I take some tomatoes and slice them up. Like that. A knife. What the heck? My tomato! Yeah. Then I'm gonna take my tomatoes on the pizza. Right there. Now I'm gonna just pick my pizza up. My pizza! My pizza! What is this? Can I just like give her an empty box? You know what? Oh. Open up. I'm gonna give you a sausage. Just gonna throw that in there. Throw moldy tomato. Then this giant M&M thingy. No. You know what? Just take that.
Oh!
Oh, hello. Hello. Yeah, what do you want? Do you want pizza? Do you want... okay, you want sausage? Okay. Oh, there's a moldy sausage under there. Let me just like grab it. No, my wall is in the way. Ugh. I'm just gonna cook that too. Here you go.
Hey!
Perfectly cooked. Oh, you want my forbidden forbidden smoothie. Okay, let me just take a moldy sausage, a big M&M. Just, I didn't throw it at you, sure. Then some forbidden olives that I accidentally squished. Yeah. Then I can take a pineapple. Where's the knife? Oh, I don't have a knife, so oh wait, if I throw it. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Here's your forbidden smoothie. Let me just.
Ow!
He liked it that much.
Whoa!
The pineapple is yellow. How the heck did you get red?
Ho!
Let me just snatch. Oh, excuse me? I'm gonna throw it at you.
Ouch! Oh!
Ah. Okay. Does anyone want my forbidden juice? Here you go. Whoop. Whoop.
Wah!
Wah. Whoop. My God. Oh, you want the forbidden? Did you want a forbidden M&M or mental? I don't know. You want the empty pizza box? Okay, bye guys. See you guys in my next video.